Hi, welcome to Linda. If it is your first time and you like this program, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, what do you have to say to my viewers and my subscribers?
Hi, I hope you are all doing well.
And what do you have to tell them? Should they subscribe to my channel or what?
Yes, and give it a thumbs up, the video and all the others.
Yeah, bis fast.
Bis nächstes Mal.
Yeah.
Bis später.
Keep on watching my channel because you are going to enjoy this program. Until I meet you again in my next video. Bye bye. Love you all.
May God bless Biafras. So Nigeria soldiers we send their soldiers go to northern side, make them go fight Boko Haram. Since jet fighter no dey fight, then the first day when they send jet fighter go, instead of jet fighter to bomb Boko Haram, they bomb citizen, because those citizens is from Biafra land. They bomb them. They bomb a citizen who come from Biafra land, which our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they want, since if you are a citizen of Biafra land designed from Nigeria soldier, you see now they say it's mistake, they bomb. Go and check how many people died there, and those people who died there, go and check where did they come from. So Nigeria now, Boko Haram don't get power now. Boko Haram they share rice. Boko Haram they share rice. They share rice for citizens. So Boko Haram don't succeed to hold one local government for north, but nothing like they catch Boko Haram, they keep Boko Haram, nothing like that. Then they leave Boko Haram, but only place they get power is for Biafra land. But my warning to Nigeria federal government, they should design, they should bring their soldier back to the north, because all the problem Nigeria get now for north. The Eastern Security Network in Igbo land, in Biafra land, they are working perfect, okay job. Now Nigeria is not thinking about the insecurity, the Boko Haram that is killing people everywhere. Now to they pursue Biafras all over the world. This is Boko Haram wey carry gun. Boko Haram wey carry gun. They shoot, they destroy. Nigeria know they think that one. But the only way where Nigeria they focus now for Biafra land, because that is their target, is to make sure they kill all Biafras. They will stand up. But we will never go down. We will never surrender until we get our Biafra. I want the whole world to understand one thing. I want America, I want Britain, Europe, China, everywhere in this world, that they should send message to Nigeria to pack their soldier. This is a soldier which Nigeria recruited from Boko Haram. They carry them from Boko Haram, they recruit them into Nigeria soldier just to take and fight we Biafras. And it will not work like that. It will not work like that. So, if you are a son of a senator, you are a son of a governor, please tell your father to tell this government to leave Biafra land alone. We don't need them. We don't tell them to share Nigeria money from us. Let them go and let us go and start for our scratch. Let them take everything that belongs to Nigeria. Let them take into Asu Rock and everything. But we will never surrender until we get Biafra. Now, Boko Haram they kill for north. They kidnap students for north. But the recent news now that the Nigeria is not thinking, they are planning how to send security to southwest, southeast. This is where they are planning to set their security down. But the worstest thing that is happening in this life is from northern side. Boko Haram, do you know how many years now Boko Haram don't exist? 10 years. Good 10 years. Nothing done. Or more than, if I'm not mistaken. Now, wetin how Nigeria dey take the Biafra's land to be? Nigeria, how una dey take this Biafra things to be? Now the governor wey we get, una don buy them through suya. I don't know wetin una put for food for them. But let me tell all of una, Nigeria, the whole world should listen. Now Biafra never carry gun for fight. Biafra never carry gun for fight. Biafra now they say Biafra, everybody say Biafra dey network dey fight. Then they social media dey fight, make dem come fight physical. Now when they go fight physical, if they pick up arms now, the world will talk. The world, America, United Nations, everywhere. You people should tell Nigeria to go away, to just make sure they leave us to go away. We don't need anything from them. Because now they are drawing us, they are pushing us to something. Do you know how many? Now the soldiers are giving go ahead, shoot aside. Anybody you see in the street of Biafra, they should shoot ahead. They should go ahead and kill us. But what I'm telling everybody, what I'm telling the world now, our mothers and our fathers, our brothers have been dying since 1960. They make sure they kill us. They want to make sure say they finish us. Now there is no Biafra man in force, senior officer, no. The one wey be there now they go kill now, say they make mistake, commander, they make mistake, Air Force bomb them, kill them. And this is what somebody will stay and say one Nigeria. The one Nigeria will never work. It will never. Now we are fighting our war. They say this, Biafra is war, internet war. But when it will come physical, when it will start physical, when Biafra will pick us arms, let the world not talk. When Biafra is not picking, we are not carrying arms. Now we just we are talking for our freedom to go. That we are suffering a lot, no school, no education, nothing. So what I'm saying, what I'm telling everybody now the world should go and inform America to tell Nigeria to leave us alone. To tell Nigeria to leave us alone. Now because I just wonder, Eastern Security Network, they never kidnap anybody. This is a place now when Nigeria they organize how they want to send their force go. A police officer come out in Lagos State to say the IPOB say they are trying to attack Lagos to make sure say we Biafras and Oduduwabo will get problem. This is just their system. So that we'll begin fight ourselves. Just like the way they are telling the Eastern governors to make sure they form a security network. But when that time where our mothers and our father was crying, raping, killing, destroying their farm, none of these governors talk anything. Now when the leaders of IPOB, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, introduce the Eastern Security, look at what they are doing now. Now if to send soldier, those Boko Haram where they recruit into Nigeria soldier, they are sending them down now to our Biafra land. I want the world to hear. I'm under UNHCR. And I want the world to hear, because what chase us all the way from Nigeria? If they give us Biafra now, because sometimes you will hear they want to deport people, they want to carry people. What chase many people? Those people that you want to deport, not that they even like your country. Like the Biafras, we don't care about your country. If you give Biafra land today, you will see that all the Biafra will go back to their country. because we can benefit, we can live well in our country. In Nigeria, whenever you say the truth, the governor will come after you. Whenever you open your mouth, the government will come after you. Whenever you tell them, you see people using human beings for sacrifice. Rituals everywhere. Cults everywhere, and these people, you don't even care about us. See the way they are killing the young ones. A country where they are selling children just to feed. People born to sell, to feed themselves. People born, they born because they carry belle for 9 months, they sell them just to feed themselves. And some people will come say, nothing will take me to go and sell pikin, because you never go in that city. If you be in that city, you will do more than that. A country that you cannot eat 3 times, you cannot eat once in a day. A country that you can eat today, you don't even know what you will eat tomorrow. A country that you eat today, you don't even know whether you will see food to eat tomorrow. Is that a country you call your own? Is that a country you call your own? Let Nigeria leave Biafra and let Biafra go. And let Nigeria leave Biafra and let Biafra go. It's not forced to stay together. It will never be forced, because he no favor me, he will not go favor. The Nigeria no favor my grandfather, he no favor my father, he no favor me, and he no go favor my children. So we don't want, we need Biafra, and that is what we need. And I'm telling the federal government to leave Biafra. Biafra never carry gun. We never carry gun. Now they say Biafra, they fight for network, they fight for internet. Yes, we are fighting for internet. But as you are pushing us you people are pushing us to the wall. And when you get to that place, it will tough. What I'm telling now, I'm telling the whole world should listen. The whole world should listen. They should tell Nigeria to leave us and go. Let us go. Nigeria no favor us. Let us go and manage whatever we feel to can manage. If you go there and drink garri, if you go there and chop kernel, will be a better thing for us. So please, the whole world should take notice. Should call Nigeria into orders. Tell them not to kill our children, our brothers again, our mothers and our sisters. Now soldiers are shooting for a land where there is no war, where there is no kidnap, where there is no killing. But in northern side, they are negotiating with the Boko Haram. They are paying ransom. They are begging them. They are paying ransom. They are taking them down. This is the people who kill soldiers, who destroy soldiers, who kill thousands of Nigerian soldiers. They still bring them out, spend money, send them again, and push them into Nigerian soldier. Now, after recruiting them into Nigerian soldier, they take them to Biafra land. So the world should look what they are playing now. They're bringing Boko Haram into our country, into our land, so that they will come and kill us. They are bringing Boko Haram into our country to come and kill us. They succeeded building this Boko Haram direct into the Nigeria force to come and kill us. Please, I'm begging America, I'm begging Europe. Our brothers and our sisters are crying. They are dying every day. And this is enough. Because when you look at internet today, thousands of people are crying. People are dying. And this thing should be enough. This thing should be okay now. That will never pick up arms. Doesn't mean we are fool or we are afraid of picking arms. But we respect the law of the country, the law of the world. Because when we start, it will be tougher than any other things. If the world should listen, and they should take immediately, because the way our brothers and our sisters is dying, I am not happy. And the world should take this thing as a very important thing. Because right now, brothers and sisters are dying. Everywhere you go, you see our citizens dying. Go to Libya, citizens dying. Go to different countries, see our citizens. We're supposed to stay in our place. We're supposed to stay in our place. If they give us Biafra today, let them announce in the world, tell every Biafra to go back. All of us will go back. So please, I'm begging the world to tell Nigeria to leave Biafra. May God bless Biafrans. Enough is enough. Our brothers and our sisters are dying. Enough is enough, Nigeria. Our brothers and sisters are dying.
Thank you for always watching Linda's TV show. I will see you again in my next video. Remain blessed. I appreciate each and every one of you, and keep on watching Linda's TV show. If you have not yet subscribed, please, I beg you to do that so that you'll be getting more updates from me. Bye bye.